My new toy.
Well, not really new.
No, but still.
Clear for takeoff. Don't land on Caitlin's car.
Oh, that would be cool though.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Did you land it?
Yep.
Well, it's over here. Oh!
Aw.
Ooh. That looked like that hurt.
There's no one in it.
If there was people. Plus, it looked like it hurt the helicopter.
Shut up, its blades are scratched. It's just plastic.
Clear for takeoff. Nice. Where you going? Fly it up as high as you can in a second. Let me get around. Hang on, guys. Okay, go. Fly it up as high as you can.
What are you doing talking into the camera?
I'm not. Gonna fly it up as high as you can. Let's see it go high. Don't land on the roof. Oh! Does it hurt?
Nope.
It survived! It looks like that one.
It almost caught me. Hang on. We have to go inside.
Okay. Wait, doesn't that mean that we start my video now?
God, fine.
Okay. Say bye.
Whatever.